And it happened the way he told us it would.
Yeah,
so
that's exactly, our whole thing is that we want to under-promise and over-deliver.
Okay, actually, we had a neighbor that was using you guys, and I'm kind of nosy, but they're good friends, so I went up there and asked them what they were doing. And they told me, and I got in a conversation with Dallas, and he said, about the hailstorm and so on. I didn't even know he had a hailstorm. And he came and he said, I'll come down and check for you, and he did, I guess the next day. And he was so thorough in everything he did or said. He followed up on anything he said he would. He worked with the insurance company for us, which were wonderful, because I think I'm well taken care of there. But Dallas was just kind of like a friend more than a salesman. But he really did a good job. And all through he was calling me to check, see how the job was going. When I was done, called me again, see if I was satisfied and so on. And I have been extremely satisfied. The crew that was out here said they'd be here at 7:30. They got here at 10 after 7 and they were on the roof at 7:30. I mean, these guys didn't take breaks or anything. I mean, they just worked and worked and worked and did a wonderful job. We're very happy with it. Absolutely. I have one of your signs in my front yard. You can leave it there as long as you want to.